Below this video will show you on how to edit as an admin on the application form and just go directly from here. So in the past, what we would do is go to the profile sections. That would be here in order to make some edit. But now you can just go directly to the application form itself and make the necessary edits. You can change the verbiage. For example, you can have it required or not. And even for this one over here, let's say for special sections where you can add one item, here, let's say you can add one by one. So let's say instead of calling it phone, you wanted to call cell phone. And then you don't want it to be required. And then this part here is label when view profile page. So we're suggesting the very same verbiage for the top and bottom. What I mean is for this and that one. And then also with the attachments, if you want to call it differently and you want it to be required, you can also do that. You can also do the same on the profile section. So when you go to the candidates, for example, let's say Jade S, and then you go here on the profile. Let's say you want to change this part, you can try to add other options like others. Now it will have that others option, and don't worry, this type of change will be applicable to all candidates because it is part of the question. But if you change the part like the answer, shade, QQ, something like that, this step of change, since it's the entry, the answer, it will only be applicable to this one. But the changes that are applicable or it will override for all other candidates, it will be for the questions itself. Like if you want to change the address to home address, for example, then everywhere all candidates will have the same question, home address, instead of just address. So now that is I'm sure that would be very helpful, especially when it comes to simple editing for verbiage and for adding other options, especially for those with multiple choices. So thank you so much for watching.